Chris Orm's the name, smart home is the game. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Eightree smart plug, and I'll give you my top 5 features and an overall review of this product because I've absolutely enjoyed testing it out over the last couple of weeks. Shout out to my friends at Eightree for sending over this product for review. This is a completely unbiased review because I've had nothing but good things to say about this product. So let's dive right into this list. I'll give you my top 5 features of the Eightree smart plug, and you can see if this product's right for you. Let's go ahead and dive in. Feature number 1, it just works. Often when I buy a new smart home product, I dread adding it to my ecosystem. It's not gonna work from setup. I'm gonna have failures. It's gonna become frustrating. There's gonna be challenges along the way. And in this case, there was absolutely none of that. I plugged the product in, I synced the Matter QR code, and it just worked. Everything was flawless. Adding it to my ecosystem was flawless. It was in my smart home in less than 5 minutes, and you really can't beat that. That's why I promote smart home products that just work. And in this case, the Eightree smart plug, it just worked. Feature number 2 that I'd like to highlight is the Matter compatibility. Matter compatibility is the new smart home standard in which Apple, Amazon, Google, and all the major smart home players have come together for a unified standard. This smart plug runs off Wi-Fi, and it can run in any smart home ecosystem using that Matter standard. For me, I didn't even have to download the Eightree application to get it into my smart home. Instead, I just synced it in Apple HomeKit using the Matter QR code. Once I got it into HomeKit, it asked me how I would like the outlet to be labeled. Do I want it to be a smart plug? Do I want it to be a fan? Or do I want it to be a light? I set it up as a smart plug on just some of the outlets because that's what I'm going to be using it for in my ecosystem. You can definitely change it, but if you want to use it as a smart plug, it's about as easy as can be to get it into your smart home system. It worked in Apple HomeKit for me, and it just worked. Like I said, it fits in all major ecosystems, and it can fit into your smart home today. Feature number 3, the physical button. When I talk about smart homes, we want to have 3 dimensions of control. We want to be able to control it from our phone anywhere in the world. We want to be able to control it with our voice using our voice assistant, but we also want to be able to physically control it. Let's say I have a light on my smart plug. I want to be able to push that physical button to turn it on and off in case I don't want to have my phone in the room or I don't want to use voice control. It's about having all aspects so that you can choose which aspect you want to control of your smart home. So in this case, you can use both physical, voice, and your phone. Feature number 4, the Wi-Fi network compatibility. This product is super cool because it's not only compatible with the 2.4 gigahertz, which most smart home products are compatible with, it's now compatible with 5 gigahertz. And I think this may have some reason to do why I could get this product into my smart home ecosystem so easily. I didn't have to work around and change my network settings to 2.4 gigahertz. Instead, it just worked. I could plug it in to 2.4 or 5 gigahertz, and it worked. It was found by my Wi-Fi network. It was easy to connect, and it really couldn't have been a more simple process. So that's feature number 4. And feature number 5, and I know this is going to be a selling point for a lot of people, but that's going to be the price. At just $5 per unit here, you can't beat this price for a smart plug. I don't think you can actually find a cheaper smart plug on the market. And this is a quality smart plug. As I mentioned, its reliability, its feature set, and it just works. To have a smart plug, this is the one you might want to find. And finally, I just want to end this video by talking about the future of the smart home. For instance, this product like the smart plug, I believe will become commoditized. And what that means is that there's going to be so many different manufacturers making what we call a smart plug that it's going to be hard to identify what actually makes a good smart plug. For this, there's not a lot of bells and whistles. There's no power monitoring. There's nothing like that. But you don't need that when a smart plug. You want to be able to control it on the 3 aspects of your smart home: physical, voice, and phone. And you want to be able to turn it on and off and control all your different devices that you plug into that smart plug based on those controls. So this product absolutely hits this out of the park, right? This is a fabulous smart plug. The price is on point and it just works. It's reliable. And this is a smart plug that I can recommend to you. Previously, I've been recommending the TP-Link smart plugs that came in at a very affordable price point, but the Eightree one is just all around the best smart plug that I can recommend at this moment. So I think I might have to update my list and start recommending the Eightree smart plug as the go-to smart plug in the category. I I really appreciate you guys watching today. I really appreciate Eightree for sending this product out for review. It's a fabulous product that I can definitely put the Chris Oram name behind. I'm going to recommend it to all my friends and family. I'm going to use it in my smart home. It's going to be a go-to driver in my smart home, and I recommend it to you with passion. So if you got some value out of today's video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more smart home content, and we will definitely see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.